Let's continue our studies with the concept of smart home only. Behind every smart home, what is there? Obviously, it is AI. And the core of AI, what is there? It is ML and DL. What is ML here? It is machine learning, and DL stands for deep learning. The features of machine learning and deep learning help the system to process immense data quickly and learn from it, to do accurate predictions and derive future trends and patterns. See here, most important thing is ability to handle huge amount of data. Then after that, ability to learn itself through a period of time, and then to do accurate predictions and derive future trends and patterns. That is also very, very important. So that is why we are going to make use of ML and DL algorithms in an AI-powered smart home. The other domains of AI, which is NLP, that is natural language processing, and CV, that is computer vision, makes these devices very user-friendly and enhances the experience to the user. So NLP is there for what? It is there for smart assistants. CV is there for security cameras, computer vision. So we use the all the three domains of AI, which is your data, NLP, and CV, to make the AI-powered smart home and to make all these devices work in sync with each other, collecting of data, sharing of data, and then predicting the future trends and patterns. We have to use algorithms. And what kind of algorithms? We have to use machine learning and deep learning algorithms. So presently, I can say that most of the IoT devices are not smart. In the sense, IoT is there, okay, Internet of Things is there, but they are not smart in the sense they are not integrated with AI technology. Why? The reason being is that still some of the technologies related to AI are quite expensive, not being available everywhere for all the users. So slowly, as the time goes by, maybe another 4 or 5 years, we might see that there'll be a sudden change in this IoT concepts, and IoT itself will become smart. So here I'm telling that, but once AI is integrated with the functionalities of AI of these devices, they will evolve and it will be more easy to use. So then we can truly say that our homes are smart home. Whatever previous things I told you, everything will be a reality in future, but now presently only few things are reality. We are waiting for the time when all the devices are equipped with AI enabled hardware and AI enabled software also. So once these devices become trained, they can perform the routine tasks on their own. So now we are imagining a situation where all the IoT devices are AI trained or AI enabled. Then what kind of tasks they can perform? They can prepare grocery lists. They can schedule the money transfers and payments, automatically replying to routine messages, managing your appointments on priority basis, identifying stocks to invest and suggest how much to invest, predicting potential threats such as accidents, thefts, and breakdowns. So just we can imagine that there is a person sitting who is guiding us to do all these things. Now, how are we doing the grocery list? We have to go to a storeroom or to check our shelves, which food item is there, which is not there, how much is left, everything. So just imagine a situation where everything is done automatically. Money scheduling, transfers, automatically replying to some routine messages. Some emails come, even though it is a regular one, we have to sit and type now. But everything, if it is done automatically by these devices, then there is nothing like that. Then we can truly say that we are living that smart life for us. Okay. So other things, what else it can do? Few more things that I mentioned over here is information and documents updates, such as vehicle registration, renewal of insurances, expiry of food items and medicines, upcoming payments and bills. See, this is one of the most, we tend to forget so many things, but like payment of telephone bill or payment of house rent or something. If everything is automated, then it becomes more easy. So if these becomes easy, what is the advantage? We can do more productive work, because imagine, just understand children here, that we humans we are not ordinary, we are something special. We are doing certain routine tasks which are of non-productive work, okay, which are not very so productive. But imagine a situation where all these routine jobs are taken care by the AI enabled devices, and we get lot of free time to enhance our capacity to work on our creativity, to extend more help to others in terms of community service and everything, or to build new technologies. So it is going to be an advantageous situation also. Everything is there in our hand, whether we use it in a positive way or we use it in a negative way. Then what else it can do? It can function as your personal health trainer, which tracks your food habits, hygiene, personal habits, and suggests precautions to take. Just imagine we are overeating, we are not going to gym to do exercises, or we are not doing yoga, something like that. If your AI enabled device is going to tell you, then that you get that motivation. Okay, I'm getting some information, I have to do. It's like somebody is there behind us, pushing us to do all these things and taking care of other things also. Analyze your study and assessment data and suggest study schedules and guidelines. We have our teachers that is there, but if we have certain kind of assistance from a AI enabled device to monitor our studies, whether we are going according to our schedule or not, whether we are able to do the assessments or not, whether any guidance is required or not, everything is going to be managed. These are all the futuristic scenarios that I'm presenting to you inside a smartphone, a smart home for that matter. Comfort you with soothing music depending on the stress on your face. The moment I have a grumpy face or a sad face, immediately a soulful music is played. That is just what to say, out of the world experience that we are going to have. But it will be a reality. Nobody imagined that the smartphone can do most of the jobs without going to bank. Did we ever imagine 10 years before? Obviously not. Again, the same situation has come. We are thinking of those hypothetical situations, but this is not going to be just an hypothesis. It is going to become a reality with this concept of AI. So now we can conclude something. What is that we can conclude? That if we are surrounded by intelligent, trainable, and predicting appliances, it is going to make our home as an AI-powered smart home. So क्या-क्या होना चाहिए हमारा घर में, smart home में? We should have intelligent, we should have trainable and predicting appliances and gadgets in the concept of IoT. Then it is going to make our home smart home or an AI-powered smart home. This kind of home learns to know you better as the time passes. This example I can relate it to your friend. Suppose you are friend, you know a person for the past 10 years. That person will know you much better, isn't it? So suppose your childhood friends with whom you have studied from, say, class 1 to class 12 or something like that, or class 10, then they know you better because you have all grown together. They have understood your moods, they have understood what things you like, what things you don't like. So this AI powered smart home will also learn to know you better as the time passes and optimizes itself to offer better services as compared to earlier ones. So better services means what? The moment it knows my body language, immediately it knows. Initially it will be like, okay, I'm feeling very sad, so play this music for me. I'm feeling very hungry, please heat up my food in the oven. Then by next, after a few years of training, the moment you enter the house looking tired, then immediately it is going to play the music for you, and or it is going to change the lighting of your house. All these things will be done automatically. It may update itself by the algorithms available online in cloud. So how it is going to get better? It is not that somebody is going to train it again. No, it is going to update itself by the algorithms which is present or will be available in the cloud, that is in the internet. So we can say that the smart home is not a distant dream. It is going to be a reality soon because AI technologies are progressing so fast that we already have these devices, smart refrigerator, TV, lighting, everything is there. Only thing is what is required? We have to connect all these things, AI-powered IoT devices, technologies, smart internet services. If everything comes together, if everything sits properly in its place, then the day is not far when whatever possibilities I have told you, whatever situations I have mentioned to you in this lecture, everything is going to become a reality. So let's hope that this is going to be in near future, but what should be kept in mind? Keeping all these things in mind, that we are not going to harm the environment that we are living. Just because we want to advance in technology, it doesn't mean that we are going to harm our environment. So make a sustainable, safe and protected home. Our home, sweet home, is going to become a smart home. So that's it for today's session. We have thoroughly understood the relate module of AI, and the next coming up module will be a possibilities module, which is much more interesting. Till then, stay tuned. Bye-bye.